Lumens, your reliable partner.
This video demonstrates how to use the VC-TR40 center stage mode. Center stage mode works by the camera first auto-tracking the target at the triggered preset position, then centering this target in frame. This video is divided into 3 parts. Part 1, here are the devices you will need. You will need a Lumens VCTR40 and a computer to access the camera's webpage for settings. Part 2, enable center stage mode. In a browser tab, enter the camera's IP address and log in to access its webpage and settings. To enable center stage, go to Tracking and select Center Stage from the drop-down menu located under Tracking mode. To turn center stage on, drag the center stage toggle button to the right. The following video will show you how the center stage function works. First, a preset position is called camera, then auto tracks the target at that preset position. Afterwards, the camera places the target in the center of frame. Another preset position is called camera first tracks the target, then centers this target in frame. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.